nangyayari talaga dito, yung Cagayan, kind of disorganized in this game. Pero yung mga fans natin dito sa likod, mukhang talagang pinapabawi. Gusto nilang makabawi ang Cagayan. Mga tiga San Pedro, Laguna, papadadala yung mga idols nila dito. And I hope Cagayan able to adjust here and produce more points. At more importantly, umayos yung depensa.
Kept in the air by Sayed. One-handed stab that time by Bang Pineda. Suzanne zips it over. Sayed, one-handed set for Meneses. To be shakies. This is the future of this game. Height.
Iba na yung mga players ngayon. Ang lalaki. Alyssa Valdez. That is how a power tip is done.
Want to be the next Alyssa Valdez? Well, yung mga taga Puerto Princesa next Sunday, April 26, with PLDT Home Ultera, the volleyball clinic, an exciting volleyball game for you young aspiring players of Palawan. So you follow this at PLDT Home.
DT, grassroots yan. At pinapadami natin ang magagaling na manlalaro ng volleyball. Yung mga yung future ng volleyball, tinutulungan ng PLDT. Vegas with 3 sa kabila, kaya nagsisigawan. Valdez with 16 points already. Sultanes with 11. And Santiago with 7.
I am so accustomed already to Alyssa scoring at least 25 by the third. Pantone is back in the game as the libero for PLDT Home Ultera. Reverse set. Nicely done. Family. Tatlo. 3-all ang ating score. Set up.
There you go. That connection once again. At nakukulangan pa si Ruby. Sabi, ibaon pa raw. At look at her going.
At taas na nung lipad, ha?
At yan ang makukuha mo niya. Veterans inside, nakasama. Diba, yung mga young...
This is Elaine Casilag. Opportunity for Roger to get some of his young players, get their feet wet, so to speak, in big games. Hule si Suzanne. Keep trying and learning how to read where the blocks are. Ooh.
That was read well by Vargas. See, 3 of her own.
You know, it's great to play with great players, and I love watching Pantone and Alyssa just sharing this.
Bumawi, partner! Bumawi!
Na nagigrit ng teeth yan.
Mana sa uncle.
Ganun ba? Uncle niya si Berhel Meneses.
Si Berhel Meneses.
In the meantime, out of reach.
Lagot ako.
Lakas na. Here's the serve. Jaja. Sayed. Nag-uumpogan yun.
That's right.
Nag-uumpogan yung dalawang malaki. Hulog. Tinas. Casilag. Sampal. Sayed. Pang. Regalo. Soriano couldn't finish it off.
And Marciano, she likes that kind of a set.
And they'll stop right in front of the net. Bad pickup that time by Suzanne. It becomes a free ball. Casilag sending it back home. Meneses punches it over. Good stretch. Pantone saying, what do I have to do? In the meantime,
vision pa rin si Angeli kung mayroon bang posibleng muscle tear, pero ayon na rin sa kanya PT sa kondisyon niya ngayon, mukhang negative daw na makababalik pa siya sa laban. Balik sa inyo.
Very good but disappointing news for the fans of Angueta Vaquero.
That is right.
Thank you, Cristel.
Well, sana yun ang let's just hope wala nang major. Saan kaya sila naiiyak? Because they hear something na pumutok or napunit. Yung ganun yung kasi reaction nila.
The fans of the Shakey's V-League, Eileen Malbatan and Patricia Pudico. Sayed. Meneses. One-handed pickup by Denden. Valdez got to it. The strike by Sultanes. Sayed. Contillas. Denden is there. Why not? So accustomed to that coverage. Well, that's outside.
Kaya ganun na lang yung kalakas yung palo niya. And Sayed sends it into the net. That's...
By the way, I suddenly noticed that Sultanes Gretchen has lost a lot of weight.
Oh, yes.
At saka
tsaka galing sa beach volleyball yan.
At saka figura niya is ang nagbubuhat, ng bahay. As low as 999 pesos. Ruby serve in play. The strike. Ruby recycles. Valdez is caught. Ruby says, huwag natin pipilitin. Dito natin kunin yan. Contillas keeps it afloat. Exchange of free balls.
Good
Papalo.
I was just going to say, good defense coming from both teams. Eliza Valdez getting that last point of that cross-court hit. Look at this cross-court hit by Eliza Cagayan. Hindi talaga pwedeng iwanan si Eliza eh. Kailangan bantay lagi, bantay sarado.
Contillas returning the favor. There's Denden, who's made the libero play a matter of poise, really.
Oh, and that's the running hit na kanina nabanggit ni Coach Roger sa isang huddle. Yun ang kinaganda dito kay Ruby De Leon. Sa dami na ng laruan niyang mga teams, kilala niya na yung mga hitters.
In the meantime, Valdez check the play. What's next? They adjust. Valdez.
Ganun din ang nangyari.
Lakas.
Pero Contillas.
All of the take is really. Valdez serving. Nearly lost. Ginawang set. Sabay na ginagamit si Pantuan at si Denden.
Oh, that was dug up well by Pang Pineda.
To the other end, Soltones. Bang! It stays down. In play, joust, and it's down. Soltones beaten. Don't miss the PLDT.com/Pacquiao Mayweather.
Oh,
Sampal. Sampal.
but once again, that connection.
This can be a violent game, I tell you. Sampal. Tusok. Tusok yan.
From Cagayan, mahihirapan talaga when
Yes.
you have Jaja Santiago on a quick hit.
You need to double up on that area. In the meantime,
Marciano down the line.
and Valdez, who has had shoulder problems in the past, holding on to that area right now. Oh, well, crowd found the effort of Eliza to wipe her face with the uniform cute.
It's the abs.
Yeah.
For PLDT, remember PLDT up by 2 sets in this match.
Lest we forget
Oh, and may error na naman ng tinawag.
ang ating Ultera fan family of the game.
Kakatuwa sa buong pamilya on a Sunday.
Yes. At
Spending
pamilya yan
it
sa
here.
labas kanina.
Oh. Look at the stare down by Pao Soriano.
So, Cagayan finding itself in a bit of a dilemma. They gotta get some points. Oh my God.
And those service errors are just not helping them. And
She's the tall girl that has been fielded now by Roger Durayab. In the meantime, this serve.
oh, and again, Janine.
Center ka ta. Si Janine Marciano at si Eliza Valdez na sa harap mo. Iabot mo lang eh. Eto, plano ni Soltones. May tawag. Back row, de. 15. First 2 sets going the way of PLDT home Ultera. Ang ganda ng spin ng bola. Nilipat sa kabila. Pinaluan. Balik lang. Sayet. Meneses. Daplis. Hindi tinamaan ng solid. Soltones. Lakas.
Too much power. Say that too.
In the meantime, it's in the air. Denden with a bad pickup there. Denden rarely makes that mistake. Valdez whips it out. Out. Was trying to go down the line.
Yes, going down the line.
Because sa Instagram ng mind niya, butas eh.
A little bit wide for Eliza Valdez on that attempt.
Babalik dun. Kasi alam na alam ni Ruby De Leon.
Papapaliin.
Yung gutom nung spiker na makabawi, ano. Sire, you're becoming a better setter. 1917, cheat. Oh, and Ruby says, kasi you've got Pau, you've got Vargas, you've got Maizo there. Sudoroses slaps it over. It is nicely done. Neatly done.
At hindi lamang sa powerful hits yan eh. Maraming pwedeng paraan. Meneses, bit slow. Ay, araw-araw yan.
Araw-araw po.
Araw-araw ng volleyball.
Oh, well done.
Oh, and again, it has just been working.
Hindi pa perfect eh. Hindi
Yan
pa
ang
sila
maganda.
happy eh.
Yung learnings na makukuha ng youngsters playing with veterans like,
See.
alam mo yung Lady Rising Suns? Pag nakita mo sila, player per player, ang lalakas talaga
Yes,
eh, di ba?
no question.
Mga superstars eh. Oh, and Marciano once again with a push.
Rhea De Leon, itong si...
Sila Ria Meneses.
Yes, yan, Ria Meneses. Ayun.
Oh, and Soltones could be one of them as Gretchen Soltones. Tirador.
Wag, pangit sa Tagalog. Social pag English. Nice stretch.
Chance for Cagayan to
See.
attack.
Easy. Right. Up. Tulog na.
Much to the dismay of the Cagayan Valley fans. Let's take a look at that once again.
Francis Opina trying to take us through this one. Slowly. Looked like it was on the hand.
Kasi yung talbog ng bola eh. Actually, you will know eh. Dun sa bounce ng bola. Oh, and...
Right now. PLDT just hoping for poetic justice. More than anything else.
But of, yung mga situation, yung mga calls or non-calls, nasa player yan eh.
Soltones couldn't hit it solidly. Dunk, dink, whatever. In the air, they'll set it up.
Oh, and Chaja Santiago, just really...
Well, Greg Slaughter, his little brother, Ruby De Leon can call Jaja her little sister. Set, match point. That's down and out.
Not just yet. Marciano once again.
Back row strike. Anticipated by Benito. Soltones got to it. Pantone makes it a set. No, doesn't force
They
it.
give a free ball. Against the corner.
Saan man kayo naroon itong hapon na ito? Tabla sa 24. Inabot. Slingshot!
Still playable though.
Tinaas ni Suzanne. Becomes a set. Soltones. Yes!
On the second try. Gets the...
Another match point.
Oh, Marciano on the knee, Marciano.
She was just playing so well here. The other side, Soltones. Benito almost miscalculated. Into the back row. Valdez. It's all about the Shakey's V-League. Soltones. Down in the water. Set point. Valdez. Suzanne tight. Valdez rejected. And